address the food insecurity issues, to help people in need around the world. But beyond that, this is an important opportunity for us to talk about the many issues we're working together. We want to focus on the work we're doing to strengthen our economic and commercial ties between the United States and Pakistan. Of course, focus on regional security. And Pakistan is now in the chairmanship of the G77, and the United States is looking forward to strengthening our own relations and dialogue and communication with the G77. I look very much forward to speaking to the Foreign Minister about that. But in short, welcome to New York. It's very good to have you here. Very good to be with you at the United Nations.
Thank you so much, Secretary Blinken. It is such a pleasure to be here at the United Nations, and we look forward to engaging on the series of events on global food security. We are aware that recent geopolitical events have indeed aggravated the situation, and countries like Pakistan have already been facing challenges in food security, water security, energy security, because of a whole host of issues ranging from climate change to issues in our neighborhood. So this particular initiative is most welcome and most important. I also look forward to the opportunity to increasing engagement between Pakistan and the United States, working with yourself and your administration to improve trade relations between Pakistan and the United States, and create opportunities for American investors and Pakistani businessmen and American entrepreneurs to work together. And I really look forward to working with you on both these issues.
Thank you. Great to have you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much,
everybody.
Small question, if you can take board TV, sir. All right, no problem.